After 11 months, 12 days, and 36 hours, my long-distance best friend and I finally reunited. And somehow, even after all that time apart, it felt like no time had passed at all. We talk every day, but being together in real life just hits different. This weekend was full of love, laughter, and honestly, exactly what my heart needed. I've got a text. Elon has just touched down in Phoenix town. So I'm about to go pick her up. It is 11:13, Sunday, December 7th. So we're probably gonna go eat first because I'm hungry and I know she's hungry. So welcome to the vlog. I've been waiting to vlog with my bestie since I started vlogging 7 months ago. So yeah, stay tuned for the greatest video you'll probably ever see on the internet. Let's freaking go.
I miss you. There's so many things in here.
Yes, but I forgot to get your glasses, so we need to go get your glasses.
Okay. Wait, that'll be fun to do together.
Yeah, we can go to Dick's.
Okay, because I look, you need to go to Dick's. You're perfect. Need this.
Because of the
Love
electrolyte.
this. No, yeah.
It's
I've been
gonna
drinking
keep you
this more.
hydrated.
Absolutely. Oh my gosh. So I say moisturize?
Because girl, it's dry.
No, it's definitely dry.
Just so
Here.
that you're not running with dry.
Thanks. No dry hands.
It's all like this type of stuff.
Perfect. No, it's perfect. More things so I stay hydrated.
How cute you. That is at the mall.
We're at Dick's Sporting Goods and we're looking for some running glasses and a vest
For what?
for the Phoenix Marathon that I'm running.
So
this Saturday.
exciting.
So crazy. It's this week.
Literally. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
It actually happened yesterday?
What? Oh, okay. Yeah, these are cute. I like these too, and they fit really nice. These are
see.
Oakley's.
Yeah, these are cute.
And I don't
And
know
with
what's
an all black fit
Yeah.
running, it's still like the base is black, but gives you a little pop.
Color.
I like.
Okay.
And they're cute. Like, give it a little pose.
These are cute. Wow, she's cute.
Attention, everyone! Where are we going?
Yoga.
Period.
Lifetime Fitness.
Lifetime built more, baby.
Period. Be
Okay.
afraid.
Let's go by the tree and let's get a little OOTD. Let's see if this light makes a difference. Yes,
Oh my
pretty.
gosh. Okay. I don't know where anything's from. I believe this is from QQQ, Amazon Fashion.
Period.
Socks are from Nike. This little bolero number is from one of my favorite
Give us a
stores.
spin with the bolero. Ew!
What's my favorite store? I'm forgetting. I'm doing her terribly.
It's okay. They don't
I
need to know.
remember, but she's cute.
Period.
And my Garmin watch.
Period. Because she's a runner. She's a track star.
Period.
So
Okay,
cute.
your turn.
Okay.
Tell us where everything's from,
Okay.
cutie girl.
This top is from Garage.
Period.
Raw underneath giving a little boobie.
Uh-huh.
This is from Lululemon.
Per.
Pants are Skims by way of Last Chance.
Wow.
When I was at Black Friday shopping,
Yes.
I went into Nordstrom. They had these same pants.
Wow.
I got these for like $12. And I was
Love.
like, that's my Last
Yes.
Chance.
Is that girl?
Period. This is my yoga outfit.
Yes. So cute. Hey, do a spin for us. Oh, yes. Ballerina spin. Okay, I remembered.
Oh.
So this little bolero, my favorite store in Georgia, Edge.
Period.
Yes.
We off to our yoga class with my bestie.
I'm so excited.
Okay, bye.
It's a little chilly.
It is cute. I'll keep you warm.
Thank you.
You can come
With your
in.
fur coat.
You can come in my jacket.
Okay.
This is my South Carolina.
I know.
I'm up at
on
3
the
a.m. coat.
nose.
Because they was doing a whole lot.
Oh, too much. Too much.
Too much.
Too much.
Look at this Christmas.
I know. Christmas tree. I love.
Good to see you. That looks yummy. Say hello. It's time to go night night.
I asked her to be my girlfriend the night after you guys met.
Oh my gosh, you're a
I
liar.
swear to God. Because that's how I knew. No, because that's how I knew. Because I was like, I
Could look up my camera.
That's where we were going.
get into it.
This light is stunning.
Ooh, she
Isn't that
is
pretty?
stunning.
How'd you like dinner?
It was yummy.
What did you get?
I got whatever Khalil decided to order for me. And it was yummy.
What did you get Elon for dinner?
Chicken fillet something.
Okay.
It was very yummy.
What would you rate it?
I rated it a 9.5 out of 10.
It's cold.
It's really chilly.
We had dinner. Dinner was yummy, and now
so
these
yummy.
two guys that are supposed to be our bodyguards
Crazy
are not
boys.
going to the cars. So I'm finally getting these nails done because I'm literally missing a thumb. My whole nail, because again, these are mine, broke off. Thanks, Kane. They're so long to where they're starting to curve, and I'm like banging them into everything, and it's painful. So let's go get these done. Let's go see Stacy. I miss Stacy, and feel like a better woman after, because this is a hot mess. So let's fix this. Stacy, this looks so much better. This needs to be the length moving forward. So Elon is trying on her marathon fit, and look how good she looks. Down to the socks. Gucci down to the socks. Doesn't he look so cute?
Thanks.
He looks so official.
I feel official.
Like
I feel
you are
ready.
here to run a marathon. Wow.
Thank you.
Like, tell me how beautiful this lighting is. So we're here on set. Shooting some photos for Elon before she has her 26.2 mile run. So this is the set. What? This is called desert living. Like, this is what I'm most excited about, getting some cool shots of you in the street. Let's get into it. These are coming out so good. Hi. Well worth it.
Stop, not you quoting it, please. Oh, my favorite person ever. Getting married. Okay, we'll have more time in life.
But your worst days.
For yours!